Hola! I've mentioned Herbalife milkshakes before. It's a meal replacement shake. I say shake because I don't do mine with milk. I haven't drunk milk for many years. I used to do it with soy milk, but now I do it with water. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I have this for breakfast. Sometimes I have it for lunch. Today I'm having it for lunch as well because I feel a bit bloated over the week, scoffing my face. And kiwi, bit of frozen strawberry, and a bit of frozen melon. 2 15ml scoops, which is vegan, I might add. I normally leave it for 10 minutes to let the frozen fruit soften a bit. And then you're going to need one of these. Done. Ready to eat or drink. That is my lunch. A nice shake.